Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. Today in this video, I'll tell you about a free course on AI which is offered by IIT Madras or IIT Chennai, whatever you like to call. So everybody wants to learn a new technology, but not everybody can pay for the courses because so many courses are there, and also many courses are very costly, and especially if a course is on some trending technology. So that's where these courses from a very reputed colleges comes into picture, and they are actually very actually it is completely free, but there is an optional fee which if you want to pay you can pay, or else you can just skip that. I'll talk about that as well in this video. So yeah, let me tell you about this course, and I'll also show you what all things they are covering, and what is the duration of the course, and everything we'll see in this video. So if you are new here, or if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, go ahead, subscribe to the channel and be a part of Programming Cradle family, where you will get these kind of informative videos, and also I'll try to help you in whatever queries you have. And also, if you haven't enrolled or participated in a giveaway which I am doing, you can participate in that. I will leave a link to the announcement video in the description. So with that being said, let's move on to the video, and let me show you the course. So guys, this is the course, and as you can see, this course is offered by IIT Madras, and this course is offered via NPTEL, and the educator of this course will be Professor Deepak Khemani. And if you want to see, you can see this intro video. In this, he will tell what all things you will learn in this course, and these many people have already enrolled for this course, and you can also join this course by clicking on this button. Now let's move on, and let me show you the course layout. So basically this course is divided into 12 weeks, and these are the topics which will be covered in this course, and week wise topics has given here. So if you want to read, you can pause the video and read, or if you want to just go to the website, you can go to the website and read. I will leave a link into the description, and let's see some of the important dates about this course. So as I already told you, this course is of 12 weeks, and it will start on 28th July 2020, and the end date is on 9th October 2020. And also there will be exam conducted. So if you clear that exam, you will get the certificate. So that exam will be conducted on 17th October 2020. So enrollment will end on 27th July. So yeah, and this course is also approved by AICTE. So this is also good. And if you want to read about Deepak Khemani, you can read here. And now let's talk about the certificate. So as I told you in the beginning, that there is an optional fee. So that fee is of 1,000 rupees. If you want the certificate, you need to take the exam, and if you want to take the exam, you need to pay this 1,000 rupees fee. So in my opinion, for this quality content, and for this reputed and valuable certificate, 1,000 rupees is not that much. So if you want the certificate, you can pay 1,000 rupees, or else you can just learn and gain some knowledge. So even if you able to gain knowledge, it is pretty good. So as we saw, the exam date is on 17th October 2020. So there will be two sessions. Morning session will be from 9 a.m. to 12 noon, and afternoon session will be from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So that is there, and registration URL for the exam will be announced whenever the course will be about to end. And also if you want to be eligible for the certificate, you need to have 25% in your assignments. So basically you will have 12 assignments. So out of those 12 assignments, your best 8 assignments will be taken into consideration, and in those 8 assignments you should have aggregate of 25%. And also your exam score should be 75%, and the final score will be calculated as average assignment score plus exam score. So So yeah, this is it for course. And in my opinion, if you are looking for some free content, or if just for this phenomenal content, you can just pay for 1,000 rupees and you can gain good knowledge, and also you will get a certification. So in my opinion, this is actually very good, and it is a great opportunity to learn from IIT professor, because not all of us can go to IIT, right? It is actually very competitive. So yeah, that's okay, but in my opinion, you can take this course and you can learn good amount of things. So yeah, this is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And also give this video a thumbs up if this video was helpful for you. And if you haven't downloaded data science notes, you can download it. Link will be in the description. And please do subscribe to the channel for more such informative content. And if you want to get your query resolved, do let me know in the comments. And also I am open to all your suggestions. So let me know your suggestions. I'll be very happy to read them. And I actually reply to almost all the comments. I have replied to all the comments as of now. So I would love to have a discussion in the comment section. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Bye.